intelligence. Guys, in previous video we have seen what is variables, that is variables in strings. In this video we are going to see what are lists. Guys, applications of list is in various aspects, that is in data structures as well. Data structures play a very important role in programming language. Guys, do learn this topic very carefully. List gives you a perfect information about stacks, arrays and all other data problems which gives rise to data structures. Guys, pay attention properly, stay tuned with me and let's continue.
Now guys, beginning with the list, we have to define a list. That is, we can define it by taking simply a variable name. That is, let's take a variable name as list only. List, oh shit, it is a keyword, so take list equal to, we have to take square brackets here, and in square brackets we have to press the values. That is, I am pressing any key, it does not matter, any value you can take, and just press enter. I have given double commas, so it has printed me an error. Let's copy and paste here. I'll change that double comma to single and press enter. Okay, it got accepted. Let's just print it. Lists print. See, we got an output with list showing here. Now, as we have done in previous video, we can access any value with the help of indexing. Guys, if you have missed that video, please click on I button, you will get that video again. Okay, let's do that. Lists square bracket and access the number. I want to access 23. Okay, so I'll print 2, enter. Yes, I got 23. So we can access the values, that is indexing is okay with lists. Now let's do one thing. In strings or in variables we cannot mutable, they are immutable, right? Then we cannot change their values. But are list mutable or immutable? Let's try it. List, I want to change the fourth element. Okay, and to change the fourth element, its position is 3 is equal to, I'll replace it by 78 and press enter. Guys, no error, means lists are always mutable. You can change the values of the list. And let's verify it by printing. Print. Okay, instead of 6778 we got 78. Okay, so lists are mutable again. Now I have given you the quiz question in previous video. Let's just apply it. Lists bracket -3. Guess guys which value it will give according to 23. Yes, I am right, it's 23. Now we have seen the list with numericals. Now let's perform a list with strings. Let's give a name string and perform one list, that is by giving double quotes or single quotes. Obviously, let's perform by my, then again in single quotes mine, then again in single quotes oh shit, I have given wrong single quote here. Okay guys, don't make mistakes, these are minute mistakes which should not happen. Then, and press enter. Guys, see, we got accepted. Then let's print that string. Enter. Yes, our string got printed, that is a list. Now I have got the list with numericals too, with strings too. Now I have to make a list with mixed strings as well as numericals as well as float, integer, everything. Let's write the list name mix square brackets. I'll start with a float value, that is 2.4 comma integer value 90 comma string, that is YouTube, and then press enter. Guys, it got accepted. Let's print it, enter. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's try appending a value, or we can say let's first try concatenation. Okay, let's do one thing. I'll first try to concatenate the list. that is we will concatenate list and string first. lists lists. Let's rename it first. Let's do renaming by new. New is equal to lists plus string. Press enter. It got accepted. Print new. Yes, see, we got a new list with numericals as well as a string. Now can we do one thing? Prepare a combined list of new. As we have prepared it by new, let's prepare a combined list. Let's do new is equal to, now take news, okay, different name, just a different name, square brackets, and then write mix comma list and press enter. Yes, it got accepted. Right, print news, enter. See, we got two different lists inside one list, so it also accepts the same. Now we can do one thing, that is we can append, insert or pop, delete, etc. the values. Let's try news dot. As soon as you press a dot, pop-up menu appears which tells append, clear, copy, count, extend, index, insert, pop, remove, reverse, sort, etc. Guys, you try different features. I will show you some. That is append. If I say news append and in bracket give the value 56 and press enter and again print news, see, we have got news 56 as appended afterwards the complete list. Now I want to insert the element. For inserting, guys, remember always you have to give the position for inserting. See, dot. See, my pop-up does not appear instantly, so I will write control space. By using control space your pop-up appears. Now press, we have to insert the element, press insert. We have to give position name, that is I'll give position name as -2 comma and the element to insert, that is 7. Press enter and then print news again. See, I got the element at -2 position. So let's do one thing again. You try different options, that is in that pop-up you have many options like append, insert, clear, copy, count, etc. You try different objects. Now let's try sort. Let's try sort. Press enter, give brackets and press enter. Oh, non-supported between instances of int and list. We can write sort only in single type of values, that is we can use lists dot sort and bracket enter. Then again we have to print list, enter. Now see, it got sorted. Sorted means it is arranged in ascending order, that is 7, 23, 23, 78, 454. It got arranged in ascending order. Guys, remember one thing, appending, that is append command appends the new digit or new incoming digit at the end of the list, but insert allows you to enter the element anywhere in the list by indexing it, and pop always removes the last element, but pop with indexing, that is lists dot pop and in bracket if I'll write 2 and press enter, see 23, the element 23 got out of the list, and then if we print the list it will contain only 123, that is the position third of the list, that 23 got removed. Now we can use the command delete lists, and we can give simply the number from where to delete the element, that is delete from second position onwards. Press enter and then print list. See, we got only 2 elements, that is third and fourth element got deleted. Now let's do one thing, let's check the maximum value of news here. Now max of, that is bracket news, press enter. We got the error, that is news is news is combination of strings as well as index, so we can't do that. We can take a maximum of lists only, max of take lists, press enter. See, maximum value is 23, minimum of lists, press enter, minimum value is 7. Guys, sum is also available in Python. If you do sum of lists and press enter, we got the total, that is 23 plus 7 is 30. So we can do sorting also. I have showed you sorting. Now guys, in next video I'll meet with some more techniques to deal with this. Guys, stay tuned for further updates.
So guys, this was the complete information about lists in Python. Now in next video we are going to begin with second data type, that is tuple. Guys, stay tuned for more updates. Here's your quiz question. Do answer it. Like the video, subscribe the channel and stay tuned for further updates. Stay well, stay home.